we are more or less on the level ground. Here's the weight of one brick. Almost 3.9 kilograms. 1, 2, 3. $26, one layer. Two layers, that's 52 bricks. Three layers. Four layers. Additional row. 5 bricks. That's 15 bricks. This is impossible. Okay, but we can see it already goes. Yeah, the front wheels are now deeper into the ground, the soil. Carefully now. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The 10th layer now. 11th. I think it's going the 12th. That's amazing. Impossible. 2. Okay. We got it. And it wasn't dangerous. Now what have we learned from this? I'm not doing just for fun. Guys, you can put a lot of load on the bucket. Which means just imagine, I was trying to imagine how much counterweight is on the back of the machine. So if you don't have anything in the bucket, if you even remove the bucket and you try to go up the little slope or you hit the bump, you can be pretty sure that you will flip the machine backwards. I mean, it doesn't go like this right away. Most of the machines have some kind of a bumper down there, but just for you and me to imagine, it can take a lot of weight at the front, but it has to have lots of weight on the rear. Amazing machine.